Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to update your iPad to iOS 18. So just go to guys settings, and once you're in settings, now you have to tap on this software update. Tap on it. So if you want guys update your iPad to iPad iOS 18, you will just need to tap on this option at the bottom here. You can see, tap on it, and now you can install or update now or update tonight. You can read about it on this link. Just tap on it to know about it. So you will get all the details about iPad iOS 8 OS 18, and he is a supported product or the system. So you can update it guys directly from here. Just tap on update now and just confirm your password. And now the guys, it will ask you to agree to update. Just tap on agree again, and your downloading of the update will be guys started. So right now the update, the request for the update has been sent. So yep. So once the download complete guys, it will automatically restart your iPad and your update will be installed on your iPad. Hope you like it guys. Subscribe for more videos, and till then, bye bye.